We slept in till about 9. Got up at breakfast and they're in the pool. Daddy and Brooklyn are still in the bed, so it's just the boys today. This is our lovely view. See the mountains, and if you look way over there, that's our truck. You can see the windmills. So cool. I love the windmills. Our nice truck right there. But yeah, we got another great day of exploring to do today. We are on our way to the highest point in West Virginia. We are down to a 1-lane road. Going up, up, up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You too, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Spruce Mountain Cabins.
.com.
Yeah, weather is it's like 70, but it's a little cloudy today, so not sure what the views will be like, but anyway, we're going up. All right, we made it to the parking lot. Spruce Knob. It is very, very foggy and very chilly out here. It's like 65. It dropped, temperature dropped the further we went up. So we are going to go see what we can see. We have a small little hike. You're all warm? All right. Glad I brought all our jackets today. All right, we're starting our trek. Oh, you got something dirty on you? Ooh. All right. Whole bunch of rocks. There's a bunch more rocks. Lots of rocks. Observation tower. Alright, guess we'll go up it, although it's too foggy to probably see anything. And it is too foggy to see anything.
Daddy, something says something. Here's all the orange leaves. Hey, look.
Hey, don't eat stuff. I saw that.
It was not trash.
I don't care what it was. Don't eat it. If you did eat it.
Alright, this is the trail. It's really cool in here. So pretty. I love it. Sprucing things up a bit. So cool. So cool. It's just really pretty back here. Like a little enchanted forest under here.
There was somebody